Hey, welcome! I want to share something that completely changed my life, and it can change yours too. YouTube gave me a platform to reach millions. But here's the kicker. AI made it possible to build a channel that earns thousands every month without me spending hours filming or editing. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step with real proof, and a repeatable system you can use to grow your own channel. Whether you're a complete beginner or have tried YouTube before, this masterclass will give you the roadmap to start seeing results immediately. Before AI, writing a YouTube script could take hours. Now, I simply give AI a topic and a style, and within seconds, I have a fully structured, engaging script ready to record. Example: if I want a 10-minute video about top 5 productivity hacks, AI generates an intro, main points, transitions, and a call to action, all optimized for retention. Once the script is ready, I use AI voiceovers. No more spending hundreds on microphones or studio time. Modern AI voices sound natural, expressive, and can even mimic different tones. You can choose a voice that matches your brand and style, and the AI reads your script perfectly in minutes. AI tools can automatically find stock footage, images, or even generate animations that align with your script. Drag and drop clips, add AI-suggested transitions, and your video starts coming to life. Editing is where most creators spend days. AI cuts down hours of work into minutes. It can match your voiceover to footage, add captions automatically, and even suggest the best moments to highlight for engagement. Finally, AI handles SEO. From titles and descriptions to tags and thumbnails, AI can suggest what's most likely to rank on YouTube. This ensures your videos reach the right audience, giving you a higher chance of views and growth. When you combine all 5 steps, what used to take days now takes less than an hour. And that's the magic: speed, efficiency, and scale. Let me show you some proof. Here's one of my channels. It started with 0 subscribers 3 months ago. Using this exact AI workflow, I uploaded just 15 videos, and now, check this out, over 200,000 views, monthly revenue hitting $30,000, subscribers growing consistently. Without any paid ads, I'm not the only one. Hundreds of creators are replicating this model across niches. AI isn't just a tool, it's a multiplier. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment, a huge team, or prior video experience. Here's another example: a fitness channel I helped launch. AI generated 20 scripts, voiceovers, and visuals in a single weekend. Within a month, that channel gained over 50,000 subscribers and $5,000 in passive income. This proves the system works across industries, from finance and tech to cooking and lifestyle. Now let's talk about scaling. Once you have a system like this, you can repeat it across niches. Here's the formula I use. 1. Identify a niche with demand. Check YouTube trends or use AI to spot hot topics. 2. Generate multiple scripts at once. Don't stop at one video, batch create 5-10 scripts. 3. Produce videos using AI voiceovers and visuals. Again, batch them. 4. Upload consistently. Consistency is what YouTube rewards. 5. Monitor performance with analytics. AI can even suggest improvements. By repeating this, you're not just growing one channel. You can launch multiple channels simultaneously, each optimized to reach its audience and generate revenue. So here's the exact roadmap. Step 1. Pick your niche and list 10 video ideas. Step 2. Use AI to write scripts for each idea. Step 3. Convert scripts to voiceovers and visuals with AI. Step 4. Edit, enhance, and optimize with AI tools. Step 5. Upload, track, and refine using AI analytics. The secret is not just using AI, it's using it consistently, strategically, and creatively. You have all the tools at your fingertips. The first video is always the hardest, but once you start, momentum builds fast. Remember, YouTube success is a marathon, not a sprint. But with AI, the marathon just became a lot shorter. Start today, follow this blueprint, and in a few months you could be running your own profitable YouTube empire.